Edward! Hi!
Liz?
Oh, I missed you so much. You have no idea. How are you? How have you been?
Grace.
Edward?
Liz, this is Grace and Diana.
Hi. Nice to meet you both. Hi. Ah! You're the one with the speaking engagement. Nakita kita sa poster. These are your friends, Edward?
Friends kami. Sige ha, mauna na ako kasi kailangan ko pang bumalik sa office. Diana, tara.
So, free ka na ba? Maybe we can talk and catch up on each other's lives. I have so much to tell you.
Alam mo, mukhang ex ni Edward yung si Liz.
Siguro.
You think magkakabalikan sila?
Well, kung mangyari yun, hindi mabuti. At least magiging masaya na ulit siya.
Buong araw na tayo magkasama pero parang ako lang nagkukwento. Ikaw naman, how have you been?
Well, ever since you left, nagtayo kami ni John ng firm. And I'd like to think we're doing good.
That's nice. Congratulations. Edward, I'm sorry for leaving you so abruptly then.
Tapos na yun.
I don't regret finding myself and chasing after my dreams, pero I hurt you in the process at mali yung bigla na lang kitang iniwan. Sana napag-usapan na lang natin ng maayos. I hope you can find it in your heart to forgive me and give me a chance to be in your life again, Edward.
O sige, dito na ako Ingat.
Edward, sandali lang. I know ako ang nakipag-break sa'yo. I was the one who broke us. And dapat lang na ako din ang umayos sa atin. Well, that's what I wanna do. That's what I sincerely wanna do. Habang magkalayo tayo, doon ko na-realize how wrong I was to ever leave you. I still love you, Edward.
Liz. Ang dami na nangyari habang wala ka. Nung iniwan mo ako, hindi ko lang kaagad naintindihan. But you know what? You were right. You made the right decision, Liz. You and I are not meant to be. Excuse me.